Hello.
Hello, teacher.
How are you today?
I'm good.
What's your name?
My name is Carl.
How old are you?
I'm 9 years old.
Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is swim.
What is your favorite subject?
I favorite PE.
Why?
Why I have it on PE?
Why?
Why
Why is PE your favorite subject?
why PE?
Why?
Why PE?
Why?
Why?
Because
Because uh, because
when is your birthday?
my my birthday is October.
What do you want to drink?
I I, I want some lemonade.
What do you want to eat?
I want some chicken.
What do you do on Saturday?
I listen to music.
What do you do on Monday?
I'm on the. I have Vietnamese and math.
Okay, what time do you get up?
I get up at 6 o'clock.
What time do you go to school?
I go to school at 6:45.
What time do you have breakfast?
I have breakfast uh, s- uh, 6:30.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 9 o'clock.
Where is your school?
Uh, it in the village.
How many buildings are there at your school?
I three. I there are three buildings.
How many computer rooms are there at your school?
There is one computer.
Okay, what subjects do you have on Monday?
I have Monday study at school.
What subjects? What do you study?
I study study Vietnamese and math.
Okay, what do you do at the weekend?
Uh, uh, I go last summer.
Hmm?
I go on the beach.
At the beach. Okay, can you ride a bike?
Uh, Yes, I can.
What does your mother do?
Um, my mother do. My mother cook.
What does your father do?
My father basketball.
What does your brother do?
My father art basketball.
Okay. What do you do on Tuesday?
Uh, I I have music and art.
When do you have IT? When do you have IT?
I because I want
When do you have IT?
when when July.
Okay. When is your sports day?
Uh, it's November.
Where were you last summer?
Uh, I won Hạ Long Bài.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.